Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. Have you ever heard folks say, listen, if you're trying to determine how long it takes to clean, just take the square footage of the whole building and divide it by 3,000. Well, what's this 3,000 they might throw out? Well, they really mean that's a production rate. How many square feet can a cleaner clean in 1 hour? So 3,000 square feet in an hour as a production rate. So just divide it by 3,000. Well, I wish it was that easy. I remember years ago, they used to throw out, divide by 2,000, 2,500, then 3,000. Well, and to be honest, there's buildings that are very nice, very wide open. A lot of tasks don't need to be done necessarily. A cleaning person can clean 4,000 square feet or more. Then on the other hand, there's very difficult small buildings. Say you take a very dirty manufacturing facility or something like that. Let's say it's only 4,000 square feet. It's not really that big. But you're going to clean it once a week only, and it's going to be really trashed. Well, to think that you take the 4,000 and divide by 3,000, you get a little bit over an hour to clean it, you'd think that's crazy. Well, it is crazy. That's because you can't clean that in an hour and do a good job. That's because one size doesn't fit all when it comes to trying to take cleaning and figure out how long it takes to do. Now, you can find software to help you. We have a software. It'd be great if you use ours. If not, find something like this though, because we have a task-based software. So we actually do task-based production rates for every area and the frequency and the work to be done and the square footage in there. So we give you an estimated time for cleaning based on task-based workloading, not just a one-size-fits-all square footage like 3,000. I wish it was that easy. It still isn't. And you want to come up with a time that you assign to the job as, let's say, a budgeted time that you can teach a cleaner to clean in and give them as a guideline of what they have to put in every time so the place stays clean and you stay profitable. I hope that makes sense. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.